Hi guys, how are you doing today? In today's video, we'll be talking about NFT, how to create non-fungible token. So in this video, I will take you through the 5 steps of creating non-fungible token. And at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on how to maximize the creation and selling of your NFT. Before we jump into the video, I highly appreciate that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will give you more content on NFT and cryptocurrencies. So let's just jump right in and start the process. For those of you that are not aware, non-fungible tokens are tokens that are resident on a blockchain, which means they have unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish them from each other. So what we are saying in summary is that this is a classic example of NFT. This is every day, the first 5,000 days, a classic example of an NFT. Even it is the most expensive NFT ever sold yet. And you can see that it has some details. It has some token ID, wallet address, smart contract address. So what we're saying, for each NFT, they need to have these things that you are seeing. So ordinarily, this is just like every other image that you can get on Google. But what makes it different is that it has this metadata, all these things that you are seeing. So creating an NFT is just making an image or a video or a photo or a digital object that have metadata, unique identification codes. And it can be words, music, audio, video, and images. But in this video, I'll take you through the example of an image. So the first step is to create the image or the audio or video, whatever you want to create. There are different apps and software you can use to create the video or the image, but I'll take you through Canva for the purpose of this video. You can use different apps that you like, images that you like, shapes that you like in order to create your NFT. You can use Canva, Photoshop, Capwig. There are different apps that are available online for you to create an image. So to make it simple, I'm using Canva image with a dimension of 400 by 400. So 400 by 400, so it will be a square. You can pick any dimension that you want. So this is the image, and you can pick any background that you want. So let's go for free in order to make the process easy for us. So here, you see I already have the image here, and I can pick any graphic that I want, any gradient that I want. All of them are available here. So let's pick something that's simple, like this one that you are seeing here. So all I'm doing here is just to create my NFT. You can choose to create whatever you want to create, but this is just an example of the NFT that I want to create, and I'll upload it for you. So once you are done with it, just click on download. It will download to your system. So now that we are through the first stage where we made our NFT, the second stage is simple, which is to have a wallet. What's a wallet? A wallet is the address that hosts your cryptocurrency. It gives you access to send crypto or receive cryptocurrency. So it is where you will use to pay the fees and the commission that they will charge you on selling your cryptocurrency. Also, if you sell your cryptocurrency, the money will come to your wallet too. So it's like the exchange point where cryptocurrency comes to you or leaves from you. There are several wallets that you can download for free. For the purpose of this tutorial, I want us to use the one that's very popular, like Coinbase wallet. You can download it as an app on your phone. Just go to App Store or your Play Store and type Coinbase wallet. Also, you can have it as an extension on Google Chrome. So any one that you want to do, it depends on your choice. So now I am going to my phone now to go and download Coinbase app. So you can see I've downloaded the app now on my phone. And once you have downloaded the app on your phone, you can go and buy your cryptocurrency. The third step in making an NFT is to buy Ethereum. There are different platforms that you can list your NFT, but the most popular is Ethereum. So in this video, we'll be buying Ethereum to have access to the blockchain and to pay for our gas fees. So you see, I'm now on Coinbase. If you click on Ethereum, feel free to sign in to your Coinbase app or website and just click on the amount you want to buy. Since we are starting, you can go with $100, or you can pick a custom size of $200. I'm in London, so it's in pounds, so you can go with $200 and you can click on preview buy in order for you to buy your cryptocurrency. So we are buying Ethereum for $200. So when you're done purchasing the Ethereum, you can use this button I'm showing you here to click send and receive. So this is where you can send it to your wallet. So type the amount that you bought, which is $200, and type the address of your wallet. So once you type the address of your wallet, you can click on continue for you to send the Ethereum that you bought now to your wallet. Now that will lead us to stage 3. Stage 3 is where we go to OpenSea.io. There are different NFT marketplaces, but one of the most popular is OpenSea.io. You can sell your own on OpenSea, Rarible, Foundation, Dream's Choice, Nifty Gateway. There are several of them, but I want to go with the most popular, which is OpenSea.io. So here we are on the website. You can explore to give you an idea of other NFT that already exist, but in our own case, we're interested to create. So you click on create. So when you click on create, it will ask you to connect your Ethereum wallet to OpenSea. So you see there's MetaMask you can use, but I've already shown you in step 2, we're using Coinbase wallet. And I told you that you can install the Coinbase wallet extension on your Google Chrome, or you can just scan this and connect your app. So that's what I'll be doing now. I'll be scanning it. So you go to your Coinbase wallet. At the top of it, you will see a button you will click that you can use to scan your wallet. So I'm scanning it. I see I've signed in. So now I am into my app. I can upload the image that I've made. So you can see you can upload an image, video, audio, or 3D. And the size must not exceed 100 MB. Feel free to give it the name that you want. If you have a link to a website for it, feel free to put the name of the website. Give some description of what you're selling. Just talk about it. If it's part of a collection, you can select a collection. It can be on its own too. If there are properties you want to add, levels or statistics you want to add, you can add them here. Now this part, which is unlockable content, include unlockable content that can only be reviewed by the owner of the item. So if you have some extra things you want to offer with the NFT to encourage people to buy it, you can go with this unlockable content. When the person buys it, that's when they can have access to these other things that come with it. It's just like you buying something and come with some free gift. So see it as unlockable content. Does the item contain explicit and sensitive content? Feel free to click on it if it is. How many supply does it have? And what blockchain are you using? Obviously, we are using Ethereum. So once you are done with all these things, you click on create. So let's just put a name here, my first NFT. So just as an example, once we are done with that, click on create for us to create our NFT. So you see, we've just created our first NFT. You creating your NFT does not mean that it's available to be sold. So in order for you to sell it, you can come to the top of the screen and click on sell. If you want to edit anything, click on here and click on edit to edit anything. But I'll click on sell in order for us to sell it. So in selling it, you can either go with a fixed price or with a timed auction. Also, you can pick the amount that you want. So let's pick 0.1 Ethereum, which is like about $400. If you think it's too high, you can reduce the price 0.01. The conversion is automatic. So it depends on you what you want to charge. So just for simplicity, I just 0.1 Ethereum, just for simplicity. And how long do you want it to go? Let's leave it as default, which is 6 months. Do you want to set it as a bundle? Means you want to set it along with other things to be bought at once, or you want to reserve it for a specific buyer. Anybody can buy it, so there's no need to click these two options. And if you sell this NFT that you've made, OpenSea will charge you a listing fee of 2.5% of the price. You can see it. So let's complete our listing. At this point of listing is where you get to pay a fee called initialization fee. So to get set up for selling on OpenSea for the first time, you must initialize your wallet, which requires a one-time gas fee. So this is the time that for you to start selling on OpenSea, you first of all, you must pay an initialization fee since you are setting it up for the first time. So this is the reason why we have to buy some Ethereum at the beginning. So this is where you pay for the gas fee. So as I did not buy any Ethereum, this process will not continue. If I bought it, I'll go to my phone and click on confirm, or go to an extension to confirm it, but I did not buy any Ethereum. This is just for tutorial, so which means that this thing will keep running. Now, once you are done with the initialization process, you go to approve the item for sale and you confirm your listing. So once you are done with that, your item will be out for sale. So once your item is listed, it will just look like this. It will have a name, have how many views, how many favorites, the price for it, and how the listing has been going. So it will look like this once you've listed it. So you can see now that to sell your NFT is not difficult, and it's what you can start now. For you to start selling NFT, it doesn't have to be like a magical image that you are seeing on the screen. No, it can be something as your own photo, as your own happy moment. It can be something that you can create easily on Canva or any other website. So I promise you that I'll give you 5 tips in order to maximize your listing and selling of NFT. So here we go. The first thing that I will advise you to is that set a low price. We are still in the beginning stage. I know you've heard about crazy price for NFT, but those ones were made by popular artists. So since you are just starting the process, start with a low price. Secondly, try and experiment with different kind of NFT. Don't just do images that are static. Try dynamic images. Try GIF videos. Explore different areas of NFT to see the one that works best with you. The third thing I will advise is that you should market your NFT before you even release it, before you even start listing it. Market it to your audience. Tell them about your NFT and tell them the freebies that come with them purchasing your NFT. There will already be like an audience waiting to buy your NFT. The fourth thing that I will advise you to do in creating and listing your NFT is for you to have a website for your images. So it's always advisable for you to have a website where people can go to find out more about the NFT. So if you can have a website, it will be a plus for you. The final point is for you to add some freebies, add some additional things that people gain when they buy your NFT. I have shown you unlockable content, so try and add 1 or 2 things that people will gain by buying your NFT. And just as a bonus, I would encourage you to create royalties for your NFT. Try and make it reasonable. So let's say 5%, 3%, 10%. If the royalty that you are setting for your NFT is so much, people may not be encouraged to buy it. So just set something that's reasonable, let's say 5% or 10% for your royalty, so that you can make sense and keep making money while you sleep. So this video is meant to be short. Thank you for taking this video and watching and understanding more about NFT. I would encourage you now to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps to grow our audience, and most importantly, you'll be updated on anything I post about NFT. So if you are really interested in NFT, I have tons of videos that I'll make for you. So please subscribe now and let's get started.